Good day, guys. This is the Kiwi Browser, a browser that lets you use metamask and Kepler and other DApp browsers on your mobile phone. So if you do not have a laptop or you do not have a desktop at home, you can easily conduct DApp transactions right on your mobile phone using Kiwi Browser. The first step is to visit Google Play Store. Search for KIWI browser, the Kiwi browser, download it and install the app. After installation, you are to open up the Kiwi browser, then click on the right corner, the top right corner. From there, you select extensions. As you can see the page, it says find extensions on Google. So you click on Google, you click on Chrome Web Store. You search for the kind of extensions that you want to add up to your Kiwi browser. So for this, let's click on metamask since it is already recommended. Then you take a scroll and add metamask to Chrome. Chrome in this instance is your Kiwi browser. Then you press OK. Then wait for the extension to download right into the Kiwi browser setup. This will take as long as your mobile network permits. So here it is. metamask has been added to the Kiwi browser, and to see it, just click on the three dotted eye. Then you can see here the metamask extension. You can follow this same process for as many extensions as possible that you desire. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good day.